Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how Top Testing Suite tool can be integrated with Jenkins in order to see the results of some diameter test cases through a pipeline build. Jenkins needs an XML file with the test results, and we managed to generate this file with the help of the TTS JUnit plugin elements. The JUnit plugin can be easily integrated in any existing GMX script, and in this video we'll update a diameter client script which contains a couple of requests. If you want to check how a diameter test flow can be created from scratch using TTS, please check the latest diameter video from this channel. Also, the link is on the description of this video. I will show you first how to update the script with the JUnit elements. Here is the GMX script, which is having 3 requests: the credit control request, the authentication information request, and the notify request, and the requests are integrated into simple controllers. Now, we'll integrate the JUnit plugin. We'll do that by adding on each simple controller 4 TTS JUnit samplers. Two of the samplers will be before the CCR and 2 will be after the CCR. These samplers are needed to mark the start of the test suite, end of the test case, and the stop of the test case, end of the test suite. And now, first will be with start JUnit test suite. We'll name it TC1 start suite. The second one will be with start JUnit test case, TC1 start TC. The third one will be with stop JUnit test case, TC1 stop TC. And the last one will be with the stop JUnit test suite, TC1 stop suite. We'll do the same thing for the others too. TC2 start suite, TC2 start TC, TC2 stop TC, TC2 stop suite, and TC3 start suite, TC3 start JUnit test case, TC3 stop test case, TC3 stop suite. Now, in order to generate the XML file which will be parsed by Jenkins, we'll need to add on the test plan the JUnit listener, TTS JUnit listener. And here we'll have to add the path to the JUnit XML. This is the path that it will be necessary for our case. So, I just wanted to show you how you can integrate easily the JUnit plugin into an existing script. And for our demonstration today, I already have saved this script into the GitLab, in the repository where we have the Jenkins file and where the JUnit XML file will be saved by Jenkins. Now let's go to the Jenkins dashboard. To integrate TTS with the Jenkins dashboard, I have defined a pipeline, and this pipeline is a kind of pipeline which will check out the project from GitLab, and through the Jenkins file will call a shell script where the GMX will be executed using TTS. Now let's see how I have configured the pipeline. Here into the discard old builds part, I have added 10 maximum builds to keep. I have added also an Office 365 connector in order to receive notification on Teams. I have a channel on Teams with a Jenkins connector. Next, here in the pipeline zone, I checked pipeline script for SCM. The SCM is Git because I have my repository on GitLab, and this is my credentials. And I mentioned here the branch where I have all the changes, and the script path is Jenkins file. And this is how the pipeline should be configured. And now let's check if the server is up. Unfortunately, the server is not up. I'll have to connect to the Jenkins server in order to start the diameter server, which will respond to the GMX script with the free requests that I present you. I will log. I will go into the TTS installation and I will start the server. During this video, some of the information will be blurred because of the security issues. Okay, the server is started, and now let's start the pipeline. Okay, we can see that the pipeline was successfully executed. Now we can see here that we have some stages, and let's see where are these stages defined. Here I have the repository, which all was added into the pipeline section. And here we'll have this Jenkins file defined, and let's see how it looks like. We can see that here we have many stages. We have the stage Git, where we are going to check out the TTS installation from GitLab. We have the stage test, where we're gonna run a shell script. We have the stage artifacts, where we are saving the logs and the junit.xml file. And we have post, where we send emails in case of success, failure, and unstable. Now let's check the run.gmx.shell. This shell is responsible to start TTS and to execute the script that we've modified earlier today. And this is the functionality of it. Now let's go back to Jenkins, and I want to present you the benefits of using the JUnit plugin with Jenkins. So here you can see that we have this section, latest test results, and if we go here, we can see that we have our test suites and test cases that are displayed with their results and connection details. So we have here the credit control request with these connection details, and also that everything went okay and the CCR was sent successfully and the server responded also to it. And also for the other ones, you can see the results here into the GUI. This is one advantage of using TTS JUnit plugin. Another advantage is that we can see here into the dashboard this test result trend, which is possible to be seen because of the Jenkins performance plugin. And here we can see the number of tests that are passed and the number of tests that are failed. In our case, we have all 3 passed. Without the TTS JUnit plugin, this test result trend will not be displayed here because Jenkins is parsing the JUnit XML file, and with the information from there, it displays this graph. Now, let's go further and see on the email that we receive an automatic email from Jenkins with information about the project and the build number and the status of the pipeline. And also in Teams, on a dedicated channel where I have the Jenkins connector configured, we have a notification from the same build that was successful and who started it. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you today. The integration of TTS with Jenkins can be very useful when you have to test a big amount of regression tests, and it will save a lot of time because it can be configured to run automatically. So what you can do more with Jenkins is that you can trigger the pipeline on test changes or on code changes, and you'll not need to take each test and execute it manually. Thank you for your attention today. Bye bye.